Nikon Z9 is a hybrid beast capable of shooting fantastic stills and videos. If you pair it with the right lens, you'll get superb results. So which are the best lenses for Nikon Z9? Watch today's video to find out. The right zoom lens can give you the best of both worlds. It can go as wide as you need and zoom in on those little details. Such a lens is the NIKKOR Z24-200mm f/4x6.3 VR, which is compact and gets the job done effortlessly. The 24mm wide is more than enough for your everyday needs, and the 200mm zoom is powerful too, and that's why this lens is called a high-powered telephoto lens. The versatile range makes it a great choice whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits. It also packs Nikon's VR or vibration reduction technology, so if you're zoomed in and shooting handheld, don't worry about those pesky shakes. As for the focus system, it uses the STM focus motor to ensure silent operation, meaning your special recordings won't be bothered by the sound of zoom. Overall, the NIKKOR Z24-200mm is a great all-around telephoto lens. Whether you're a casual shooter or love indulging in street photography, you will need a compact lens that can deliver stunning performance. Meet the NIKKOR Z40mm f/2, a speedy prime lens for your daily needs. This lens checks all the boxes for an everyday carry option. It's compact, lightweight, and affordable. On top of that, the f/2 means that it's plenty bright, so you can get impressive performance in low-light scenarios as well. That also means you're getting great bokeh shots. Moreover, besides street photography, you can also use this as a portrait lens. Also, it's 40mm, meaning it's wide enough for landscape and interior shooting. This just shows how versatile a lens this is. From candid street photography to interiors, this 40mm lens has you covered. In short, the NIKKOR Z40mm f/2 is a sharp prime lens that can make your everyday photography better. To meet all of your ultra-wide needs, the NIKKOR Z20mm f/1.8s is here. Whether you need breathtaking landscapes or interiors, this lens has you covered. The constant 20mm focal length means you can easily capture expansive landscapes. Complementing the focal length, there's the constant 1.8 aperture. This constant aperture makes the lens bright enough to give impressive performance even in low-light scenarios. Also, when you mix them both, you're getting sharp images with buttery bokeh. As for its focus system, it uses a dual-step motor to give you precise control over focus, allowing you to do breathing focuses for cinematic effects. In summary, the NIKKOR Z20mm f/1.8 is the ultra-wide lens you need, regardless of indoors or outdoors. Meet the NIKKOR Z-MC105mm f/2.8 VRS, a lens for professionals and enthusiasts, an excellent choice for macro, landscape, and portraits. The lens comes with a constant 2.8 aperture. It's sharp enough for macro photography and decent enough for low-light environments. Speaking of macro, it has a minimum focusing distance of 0.29 meters. That means you can get really close, grab all those details, and blur out all the rest. Also, the 1:1 reproduction ratio means you'll be catching details unlike anything else. Considering it's a 105mm lens, it'll give you all the versatility you need. So, besides shooting macro, you can also score great landscapes and portraits with this lens. Inside the lens, a large aspherical glass element at the rear deals with the field curvature and prevents distortion. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile macro lens to pick up all the details, the NIKKOR Z-MC105mm is your best choice. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or the streets, your best choice is a super fast lens. And such is the NIKKOR Z50mm f/1.2s. First, the aperture. It's a constant f/1.2. With such a bright aperture, you can easily crank up the shutter speed and capture those beautiful moments without missing a beat. The bright aperture also means you're getting perhaps the best low-light performance. On top of those, the lens has coatings that help eliminate virtually any distortion glare, and aberrations. As for its focus system, it uses a dual motor, granting you the power of shooting breathing focus. The cherry on top is that the lens is weatherproof, so whether you're in the city or by the beach, the lens can take it all. All in all, the NIKKOR Z50mm is a fantastic lens capable of both landscape and nightscape, a fantastic lens for your arsenal. So, that was all about the top 5 best lenses for Nikon Z9 just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.